Imagine a real war where the army had machine guns and the enemy was birds. And somehow, the birds won. In 1932, farmers in Western Australia were desperate. Around 20,000 giant emus invaded their farms, destroying crops and fences. So, the government sent soldiers with machine guns to eliminate them. The operation was approved by George Pearce. It sounded simple, but the emus were fast, really fast. They ran nearly 50 kilometers per hour, scattered in groups, and the soldiers' guns kept jamming. Thousands of bullets were fired, but only a few birds were stopped. After weeks of failure, the army finally gave up, and history recorded something unbelievable. Humans once fought a war against birds and lost.